Hi! Kumusta po mga kababayan, mga subscriber natin dyan, mga kaibigan natin? Okay, kumusta po kayo lahat? I know it's been a while. I'm just too busy kasi napaka-busy ko po talaga. Alam nyo naman siguro, babalik ako sa Pilipinas uli. I'm getting ready to leave. Kaya ang dami-dami po naming project. Anyway, shout out sa mga lahat ng OFW, lahat ng mga PB Team subscriber, lahat-lahat ng ating mga kaibigan. Shout out po kay Unyok, si Ma'am Judy, Ma'am Betty, at tapos lalo-lalo na kay Ma'am Elizabeth. Ma'am Elizabeth, thank you so much for the gift. I appreciated you. Salamat po sa pagmamahal sa apat na Maria sa Abra, including mga Marias dyan sa Sineri, I think, and then mga Laguna. Anyway, I truly appreciate everything that you're doing for them. Again, Ma'am Elizabeth, you're always welcome to go visit them. You can stay at the house. Pag weekend po, mas maganda kasi, you know, they go to school. Walang tao sa bahay. Kaya, salamat again talaga. I do appreciate you very, very much. Kasi bihira lang po yung mga viewers na tumutulong sa kanila. I know that there's a few. So, salamat again. Okay, anyway. Some update. Mag-update na lang muna tayo. Okay, kaya dami-dami pong update. Ganyan ko uli kasi nahihirapan akong tumingin. Tatrabaho pa ako kanina pa po. Ano pang ating update? Ayan po si Badiday. Ayan ang ating i-update natin si Badiday. Okay po, si Badiday po. Okay, ang kanyang pinning paiba-ibang araw. Ngayon, hopefully, naka-schedule niya ng December 7. It happens, ang December 7 po is a Christmas party of our call center. Kaya buti na lang, sabi ko kay Badida, umaga siya, tanghali. Kasi they have a mass in the morning and then lunch na. Sa Christmas party po namin sa call center namin is evening. Kaya salamat naman. At maatenan ko. I hope this one will go through typhoon kasi may mga typhoon sa Abra. Alam nyo naman siguro na postpone po yung pinning niya. Ayan po ang update kay Badiday. Ang next na update natin si Irene. Ayan po si Irene natin. May mga nakapanood po sa video na inalis ng YouTube. Kasi po, sina Irene tsaka Tutoy, the video the Department of sa passportan, naiwan ko lang kung department yan sa Pilipinas, bawal pala ang ganun, mga agency. Kaya inalis ng YouTube yung video nila. But Irene, hopefully mag-a-apply na rin siya ng passport. Si Babit po, yung aking tagaluto, yung tagaluto ni Mamang pag kami ay dumarating, she already had an passport. Tapos nag-submit na po siya ng paperwork. I'm hoping na may schedule na siya. Pagdating ko, I don't mind Babit coming in first. Again, si Irene po, nakita niyo naman si Irene, si Irene natin, ang goal ko kay Irene is to come and study here. Alam ko may hirapan siya, alam niyo naman, lumaki sa Taloy sa bundok. Kaya lang, pag-aaralan yan. Mayroon nga nag-abroad na hindi marunong mag-English eh. At least sa Irene nakakaintindi na. Napag-aaralan yan kasi pag araw-araw niyang gagamitin yan. Pag-aaralan. Kahit hindi right grammar, eventually, she could learn. Ako naman nung araw takot din ako mag-English. Hindi rin. Marunong naman. Kaya lang, takot. Hindi ko kasi ginagamit. Ganun lang po siya. Diba? Pasensya na po kasi nagre-record ako. Pasensya na. Nagre-record ako dito sa opisina. I'm finishing up. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving sa lahat-lahat ng fans natin dito sa US, nationwide. Lahat ng Pilipinas, lahat-lahat po ng country. Happy Thanksgiving. I know it's a big holiday here in the States. So after Thanksgiving po, we're leaving. We're flying to come to the Philippines. I hope and pray that we have a very safe trip. I'm very busy sa Maynila muna. I'm working with my marketing director of marketing. So as my ano ba yun? Consultant, HR and accountant. We're gonna be working, I'll be working in Manila for a couple of days bago kami pupunta ng Abra. Anyway, mga taga-Abranian dyan, okay? Lahat ng mga taga-Abranian, there's a lot of openings for the call center. I know some of you, you know, making a comments, they don't call us anyway. True, pag hindi kayo pumasa ng first interview to second interview and you go to the final, okay? There's a first and second interview po. And then it's a very, very intense interview kasi wala po akong time. I'll be the one to interview this time. I'll be the one to select the employees. Okay? Kung mga taga-Abra, mga, you know, near town, near, ano dyan, yung mga kagaya ng Kandon, mga ganyan. If, you know, you guys, if you want job, it's the first BPO in Abra. We're expanding to Laguna, kung saan si Sir Paul, napaka-busy ko po. It's growing so quick and so fast. I'm just, what am I gonna say that? I'm just controlling how to open it. Kasi po, ang dami pong position na pwede namin, ano, ay wala po kaming agent. I want an agent that's responsible and, you know that, they care about the company because it's my reputation and our reputation dyan, okay? So, lahat po kayo ng mga applicants, December 4, starting at 9 a.m. in Bangged, Abra, in front of the police station. We are there, is the big building there, harap mismo ng Cadre, o Philippine, I think it's the PNP station. Mismong harapan talaga. Okay, so we're gonna be there starting December 4. Is only one day. I'm the one who interview together with my consultant HR. Okay, kung sino pong interesado dyan, bring your resume. Okay, at 9 o'clock, December 4, we start at 9 o'clock. Okay, we'll be mostly until 4 o'clock p.m. That's our schedule. Okay, ang update naman kay Erna and Marjorie, you know, they're doing well. Hopefully, they do much better for the next semester, next exam. You know, I'm happy. I'm happy with them. Okay, salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagtangkilik sa kanila. For your guidance, lahat ng positive commitments, I do appreciate it. I read them when I have time before I go to sleep. Kasi po, doon lang po ako nakakabasa pag yung mga 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. Hanggang 1 o'clock. Yun, I read some comments po. Di naman po lahat, but I do read comments. Again, ano pa yung update natin? Kay Sir Paul, sana magkita-kita kami, but things happen. So, we'll wait for him. Okay, but kaya lang magkikita-kita pa rin kami. And then Yula and Peter Paul were planning to see each other. Okay, si Mang Eli very busy siya. Si Peking Bombay, hopefully, you know. Again, we're planning. We will see. Kasi napaka-busy ko po. My goal is to tutukan po ang call center, to make sure it's running smoothly. All my employees are doing very well. Okay, again, I'm there to interview. I'm there to make sure the transition of the new corporation will run smoothly. Kaya I'm coming home. Okay, again, shout out po kay Ma'am Judy. Mahal kita dyan. Tapos po si Nakupars, si na RJ po, si Mang Juancho, ang mami at daddy ni Coopers. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagmamahal sa amin, sa akin. Okay, I don't know if I could see you. I'm gonna reach you out. Let's see if we can have dinner in Manila. Again, ano pa po yung ating mga hopefully I can see my first graduate ng engineer po sa Sunday. Makikita po kami, magdi-dinner po kami in Manila. Again, he's the first graduate of college. Marami po kayo kasi hindi kakilalang mga aking scholar na natutulungan namin, hindi na nablablog. Okay? Ngayon mga nagtataka dyan, bakit ganyan-ganyan. You know, you don't know. You don't know what's going on. You don't know how hard we, me and my husband are helping and my family are helping some people. Kahit wala na po kaming tulog, wala po kaming, you know, we don't have an extra. I don't live very luxurious. Napaka-ano po namin. You know, we are not millionaires. Kaya whatever we have is what we have. We share what we have. Kaya po yung lahat yung nagbabasher dyan, mahal ko po kayo. Thank you for watching and thank you for commenting. And magdahan-dahan lang po pagbasa kasi kawawa yung mga bata. And I know sometimes, you know, I'm frustrated with them too. Kaya lang, it comes with the territory na yan. Kaya, let's see. Excited ako sa pining ni Badiday. At tapos mag-UJT ata si Irene. Hindi ko pa alam, hindi pa niya sinabi. But I watched it on their blog. Yun po. You know, I cannot wait to see each and every one of you, each and every one of my scholars. I'm hoping I could see all of them. You know, si Maestro June. Yan po, ay tinutulungan din namin noon. Up to now. Kasi nagmamasteral siya, nag-PPHD. Okay? Again, Sir Paul, thank you. Madam Yula, thank you. Thank you for everything na inaano mo dyan. Kay, you know, kay Peter Paul at saka kay Paul. So thank you Madam Yula and your family and to Mommy. Okay, I wish I could meet Mommy. But anyway, I will see you soon. Take care, lahat-lahat po kayo. Take care. I love you and good night.